In all of our swimming lessons, we talk about mindset first. You have to have your mindset first in order to understand your actions and get your results. The biggest thing as a beginner swimmer to mind is your nose. To mind your nose. Know what is happening with your nose. This is the thing that makes people, I swam once upon a time and I got all this water in my nose. It was terrible and I never wanted to go back. Here's the thing to know about your nose is to go slow and gentle with it. Water doesn't go into your sinuses when you just put your nose in, when your face is straight forward or down. These are safe positions for your nose. The water just goes into the entry, but not back here. It goes into those sinuses in some other ways. But let's just feel to begin with how safe it is to go under when your nose is straight forward or down. It's good.